losses, make them mine. To the moon we still proclaim, even as we feel the pain. All hail the golden face. Save our portfolio disgrace. We believe we never sell. HODL strong through market hell. Once we soared on charts of green, now we're lost in what has been. Wallet empty, dreams erased, still we kneel in sacred space. Screens are dark, accounts are gone, yet we chant and carry on. Just one pump, we cry again. Echoes lost in endless pain. Burn the drives, offer proof of shattered life. All hail the Doge divine. Guide our losses, make them mine. Ruins all around, charts collapsed without a sound, forums filled with ghostly pleas by the dip eternally. Shattered rigs upon the floor, still we worship even more. Golden statue, silent stare, answer none, but still we pray. It will rise. It will rise. It did not rise. Temple cracks and bends, still the chanting never ends. Every loss a holy sign that next time we will climb. Coins are dust but faith remains, built on graphs and empty gains. Through the fire, through the crash, we will praise.